Hello everyone. Welcome to Innovative Science Activities using Laboxd Science Kit. Today's activity is Solids in Geometry. Solid geometry is the geometry of three-dimensional figures. The three-dimensional figures have length, breadth and height. The knowledge of 3D shapes is very useful in calculating the surface area and volume of the shapes. Some examples of solid shapes are cone, pyramid, prism, cuboid, etc. In this activity packet, we have some cardboard cuttings of different geometrical shapes. First one is square pyramid. Fold the sides properly. Join the sides. Fix the sides. We can use cello tape to join the sides. Now observe the shape. This is a square pyramid. It has 4 lateral faces and 1 square base. This seems like a cuboid. First, fold the side. Now, join the sides. This is a perfect cuboid. It has total 6 faces, 4 lateral faces, 1 top face and 1 bottom face. This looks like a cube. Fold the side. Now fix the sides to one another. It is a beautiful cube. It has 6 equal faces. This is a triangular pyramid. Join the sides to get the shape. Yes, it is a triangular pyramid. It has 3 lateral faces and 1 triangular base. This is a prism. This prism has 3 lateral faces and 1 top and 1 bottom face. Now it is a cone. Join the sides and observe the shape. It has 1 lateral face and 1 circular base. This 3D shape is a cylinder. Join the sides to get the shape. It has 1 lateral face and 1 top and 1 bottom circular face. These are the different geometrical shapes. With the help of these shapes, it is easy to understand the properties of shapes. Knowledge of the geometrical solid shapes is very useful while calculating the area and volume of the shapes in geometry. Arrange the beautiful shapes in your own way and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to watch more such joyful videos.